Yes, what's good guys? Welcome back to another new YouTube video. It's week 1 and it's already done of 2024. Now I want to do for you a recap on how I've been trading so far. But one thing I want you guys to learn from this video is I've only so far taken only 2 trades. I've only traded when I see a clear setup only. I'm only trading one forex pair. I want you guys to learn from me, and this is how I'm going to be trading for the rest of the, and this is the one I'm going to be staying profitable. So guys, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe and let's get started with this video. So traders, this is my Euro JPY chart. This is how it looks like. So now most of you guys, when you're trading, first of all, you like trading so many pairs and you don't learn from it. But for me, I've learned from it, guys. I've really learned from it. Now this year I've been only trading Euro JPY, and you can see my chart. I've only taken 2 trades, not 3. So here you may see I've taken 1, 2, 3, but I only took 2, only 2. So let me take you through these trades, you know. But as I'm doing this, guys, I want you to get funded, guys. I want you to get funded with the Forex Funder. Forex Funder is the one of the best platforms that has taken the internet by storm, with 3 account types, guys. 3 account types: 1-step challenge, 2-step challenge, and the rapid challenge. So this is my chart. As you can see, guys, I've been trading on the 1 hour time frame, 4-hour candle. I've also been considering it. Also, I've been considering the 50 minutes time frame for my entries. So first things first, guys, I want you to first notice that anytime when I'm trading, I make sure to draw zones on my forex chart. So the first zone was up here, and I remember I made a video about it. This zone right here, which was acting as my demand zone, as you can see, guys. So when price approached my demand zone right here, obviously it gave me a falling wedge. So a falling wedge is a reversal pattern to the upper side. So now I knew price was going to reverse and go back to the upper side. So now one thing when I'm taking a trade of a falling wedge is I want to consider this part right here, because remember, price comes down while it's giving me what we call lower lows and lower highs. So these are lower lows, So I wanted price to break this lower low. Remember, this lower low is not just acting as a lower low, but it's also acting as a resistance zone. That's why you see price here failed to break through right here, and then it after broke. Then after, when resistance is broken, it becomes support. That's why now price had to come here for a good support, but not just a good support, but this is now a what? A high low. So remember, we take trades whenever price comes back to the high low, or we like to buy when price is at a support zone. So this was my first trade of the day over 2024. And guys, simple stuff. Price approached my zone right here, you know, giving me my falling wedge, and then after I wanted price to break this zone right here, not just break the trend line here, but also break the previous lower high, and then price comes back to the support. Because here I knew price was now going to start pushing back up, just to come back to this red line right here. But I didn't put my take profit up here. I put my take profit exactly here, where my falling wedge starts from. That is where I put my take profit, because remember, you don't want to be greedy in the markets. Markets can, you know, reach a zone and then turn and take you out, you know. So again, and also I was respecting the fact that we are still in more of this, you can see it's more of a ranging market. You can see price is just ranging in the side, you know, in the fixed zone. So meaning most of the time price may first do the same thing before either continue to go back to the upper side or come back to the downside. So you can see, so that was the first trade of the year, and we're able to pull off more than 100 pips, just risking 25 pips, guys, with this one right here. You can see. Now before I even go any further, guys, you see, one of the ways you can conquer prop farms and pass your challenges just like this, oh my crazy money, guys, is you always want to trade with when you have assured trades. You know, assured trades, I'm meaning these are trades when you come onto your charts. You're not going to spend 10 minutes looking for a chart. You just see it just like this. You know, okay, price is going to do this, price is going to do this, and it's going to go this side. You know, you're literally not chasing price. You're not trying to force anything, guys. Literally, this is just like 1 + 1 = 2. But most of the times we come to charts with that, we can't interpret, and that is where we go wrong, guys. So if you want to pass funded accounts, this is the strategy for you. Price action, guys. Now I want you to notice now. So when price was pushing back up here now, guys, you see, I'm patient with my trades. When price was pushing up here, obviously I had drawn this red line here. Reason why? Obviously when price stopped here, it started coming back down, meaning this is a what? A zone in the market, or a resistance, you know, or you can call it a weekly high. That is a high, but not just a high. When you pull it this side, you can see it respects this zone right here. So meaning that is a supply zone. Price has to reach there and then break through. But again, sometimes supply zones can be violated. Then I just consider it as my what? Resistance. Now look what happens. Price as it's approaching from this first trade of mine, as it's pushing to the upper side, it leaves 3 big candles. As I mentioned, 3 big candles always mean there's a zone in the market that has been left, which is a demand zone, you can see. But not only that, fair value gap was left in the market. Fair value gap is always liquidity, traders. So I know now price is going to come back down. You see, traders, price is going to come back down and take out this liquidity. You see, now I wait for price to, you know, do its thing up here. It started ranging, as you can see, it's ranging, but after a period of time it started dropping, as you can see. Now this drop here, this is where most people are caught. They take trades very fast because they've seen the breakout, you know. Here everyone has seen the breakout, you know. These people start selling, and obviously some people make quick money. For scalpers like Yaga can make some money. Then after, you can see, for now, me, I wait for the retest, which is this one, a clear retest, as you can see, guys. Price comes back to retest at this support zone, which is now a resistance, you can see, guys. Now here is where I took my drop, but I didn't just take my drop. I took my drop after knowing that, okay, price is going to come and take out this liquidity or the fair value gap. You see, traders, now price drops, as you can see, big time, takes out the fair value gap. You see, after taking out the fair value gap, as we mentioned, fair value gap is liquidity. Then price pushes back to the upper side, but not just pushing up to the upper side. It gave us a W here. This is a W here. Let me remove this so that you guys can see. So I've zoomed in, so you can see this W right here. This one right here, this is a W, see? Then price breaks the W, retests it exactly here, and then pushes back up now to continue to go back to the upper side, just like that. That was my second trade of the. Now my second trade was when I sold from here to down here to take out liquidity. You can see, guys, these are things I understand. Things I don't understand, I don't trade. I would have even taken this buy trade from here, but I didn't catch it, you know. But I waited for price to come here to this zone right here. You see, traders, waited for price to come back to this zone right here, break it, close from above, this one right here, and then push to the upper side. You can see, guys, again, we had the fair value gap left in there, but these were not my trades. The trades that my important trades were this trade right here and this trade right here, guys. So before I go any further, let's jump onto the forex funder, guys. The forex fund are one of the best programs that you guys can take on. First of all, they offer 95% profit split, no time limit, raw spreads, and the lowest commissions, mostly on pairs like gold, guys. 24/7 customer service. Anytime when I've been having a hard time getting out my payouts, like these guys are just on the dial like this. You just text them on this small blue icon right here, and then they'll be able to respond to you as fast as they can, so that you can get your situation sorted. Then they offer 1-step challenge, 2-step challenge, and the rapid evaluation. So most of you guys keep on asking me what account size do I recommend. I recommend the 1-step evaluation if you're a pro trader, then the 2-step evaluation if you're a beginner trader, then rapid if you're a proper trader, you know. But for me, one I want to always go in is the 1-step challenge, where I just have to do one challenge and then go on with the challenges. As you can see, guys, with the 1-step evaluation, you can see these are all the things that you have to go through, guys. Make sure to read through all of them so that you can know what you need. But one thing I can tell you guys is with any account you buy, you get a refund. With any account you buy, you get a refund. You can see, guys, and they've even made it more easy. You can see when they say daily loss, they have put it for you, like they've made for you the calculation. So daily loss is $5,000. You see, for this account, for 100K account, like they've put the numbers for you. Profit target, they put it for you. You have to make 8%, but not just 8%, $8,000. You can see, guys, they made everything easy for you, you know, so that you don't have hard time looking through, you know, okay, what is 8%? You go into your calculator and calculate. No, they've made everything easy for you right here. You can see, guys. Then after the first after the 1-step evaluation, you get funded live. For the 2-step evaluation, you do 2 phases and then you get funded. Then the rapid evaluation gets straight to instant trading, live trading. Then when you compare the forex funder to FTMO and EA trading, you can see here the forex funder offers 1-step challenge, and these guys don't offer it. And also it offers weekly giveaways, which those guys don't give, you know. And also the profit split on the forex funder is 95%, which is bigger than all these guys. These ones, the FTMO offers 90%, and then these guys offer 80%, guys. And lastly, most of you guys always ask, what broker does the forex fund I use. It uses Think Markets or Blue Markets, and these are all award-winning brokers, guys. So whatever broker that you want, you can always choose. And also you can see here, you can definitely log in and see the spread and everything on those accounts. You can see, guys, the Blue Markets or Think Markets, guys. So make sure, I'm going to be leaving the link below this video, guys. Make sure to get funded, you know, make sure to get funded. And remember, trading the forex markets can be very risky, so trade at your own risk, most guys. Trade at your own risk. So that is the forex funder, guys. So back here to Euro JPY. So far, guys, I've taken trades that I understand. I've taken trades that I understand. You can see. So trade 1 was here, trade 2 was there. You can see, guys, and all these things were very easy for me to understand. I would have taken this trade right here, but I was late for it. But now you can see I've already drawn my trend line. So I'm just going to wait for whatever price gives me is what I'm going to be going with. So guys, trade, please, what you understand. Anything that you don't understand, don't trade it. You know, I don't want you guys to be caught up. You know, this new year, we are only trading things we can interpret. And guys, I want you to look at losses not as losing money, but as lessons. Most of you guys look at every loss you make. Oh, I've lost too much money. That is a lesson. We learn from our losses. Money is nothing. Money always comes back, traders. Make sure to stick your heads up, and I wish you all the best for 2024. And make sure to get funded. A single payout from the forex market can change your life. Yes, and I'm still in Dubai, as you can see, guys. So I'll see you in my next piece.